Federation of Khasi Jaintian Garo People FKJGP hak arpa tari unai lar arjar pulai kalalet rak palat san pojur gibilor Shaka State Food Testing Laboratory har Pasture Hills Shillong na kebendaban pates yakateko bala shim nong muna na gitop penlang kipadan hakish nong prepare kanong ba Shillong bat hak lai tari urisau arjar pulai ka Federation kalapen pau ba ka kai pot neka test report ka managi sau pendretli kibala dap test tang artli kidik babet babiang bat paka ban penon kam ban shat ban tiu Ka Federation kalale ekani hadien bakala yo jing ujor nagi pajba kibadan padang ka jing artatien laka ka bagi yo na katanat PHE bat joru na ka Shillong Municipal Board kalong ni ka babet babiang ban pendon kam kat ka kai pot la yo jing tep batang ka hadem tring mat madan ruting kilong ki babiang bar basngan ban pendon kam kataru ki badai na gitlong na laki snong kat ba sau pusau terlipat kim long sngan namar ka jing klet dawai bat kiwe kidaw halor kania Menteri Katanat PHE Marcuise en Marak ubadai unang aiktien ka sarkar MDA2 hakan lai puai tarik risau arja arpulai ulaong baka bala ai da katanat PHE hi kalong ka khuid ban penon kambat la ban tip naei ka FKJGP ka shim ya ka bala pha ban tas
water supplied by PHE department is all safe and sound for drink, but the samples collected we cannot say from where they have collected the samples. That's the point where we cannot say now it is the water that is being supplied to the people. And to mention it that way, there are tanks which are being manned by municipal boards. So if you can go to the municipal boards and try to find out from the municipal manned tanks whether the tanks that manned by municipal boards are fit to be drink or the samples from the municipal board water tanks are being tested, you can ask that question from the municipal board also. But from the PHE tank, water is safe and potable and very much safe and sound to drink. Every day, PHE department, before supplying the water to the Shillong city, we are testing in the Moplang treatment plant. So we draw the water from the Umyo river, we get it treated there in the Moplang treatment plant. From Moplang treatment plant, we bring the water to 6.5 miles. There's a tank in 6.5 miles. From 6.5 miles, in the 4th mile, there is again another tank. From that tank, we distribute the waters to the municipal tanks and other tanks here in the city. So, basically, the water being supplied from the PHE department is clean and ready to drink, potable water, I should say. So, therefore, the water which was brought by FKJGP leaders and get it treated there, tested there somewhere. I don't know the veracity of the collection of the water samples from where they have collected. But however, for the satisfaction of our people here, we're giving the water, potable water to the people of Shillong. And if any of the PHE tanks are found contaminated or not fit to be drink, that we are looking into it. But so far, the water which we are supplying is very much safe to drink. That's what I can say.
Congrats, Kyrwoh. You have a check up and
I not say Atiar
yeah,
ila banet la sham tayoru sele yu dan Islam
kendian PE takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemishwa bandap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat Islam
dor jong kapor
HIV control
Patas HIV yalla de haka por ba phile check up ning bang haba armet